Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Lakulu brand heavy-duty battery charger. This is a 12-volt battery charger. We're going to open it up, we're going to show you how it operates, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Alright, so I'm going to get this out of the box a little bit on camera here, a little bit off. Frankly, you're going to have a simple instruction manual, and as you can see, it comes well packaged. I'm just going to lift this thing out. See a little bit better now. It looks like so. Simple plug in, and then connections all in the back here. So I'm just gonna open this up. All right, so just want to show you a couple things. First of all, love the long cord, very long jumper cable cords. Your power line, as noted, fuse wire, you'll have your positive, negative wires, and then your overcurrent protection. You'll just kind of press that button. And then of course on the back here, you'll have kind of a fan, very handy handle. And then we'll show kind of the front, which we'll walk through pretty soon once I get it plugged in. Power switch, all this stuff, repair, smart, auto off, maintain, winter, all weather, your auto start stop, protection control, 0 volt charging, all these things. Obviously what I want you to do, and I always recommend this, is understand the instructions. These are detailed, small, so go through, read them, understand exactly what the functionality capabilities are, so that you can get this thing done. So we're going to just demonstrate jump starting a car and go from there. All right, so I did need an extension cord to get this thing plugged in. Simple plug, and when we turn it on, again, you're going to have the hit down or up, depending on the voltage that you're going to want to use. And again, just make sure you're following your instructions. So we're going to just click this thing on, and we're going to put these on. And I don't know if you heard it or not, but it is telling me exactly what the current is. Try and get in there. And the battery. So what we're doing is we're just juicing this up. So I'm not going to need to jump start this thing. It does have juice, but it's kind of just already setting it up. And as you can see, it's going up in percentage. So really the whole idea here is the ability to kind of either charge batteries, jump start batteries, again, whether it's a cycle or whether it's a truck, tractor, a lot of capabilities here. So you can kind of do this in the winter, do it in all weather, and it does have an auto off, which we'll eventually get to. So I'm going to let this thing charge up, and we'll bring you back to that. So if you really want to jam this thing faster, you just go up to the higher yield charge. It's going to be by pushing this button, so it'll go actually a little bit faster. So it'll eventually get you wherever you need to be. It'll stop working with the auto off. You do have a ability to kind of go from auto off to maintain. Again, switch from winter to all weather, repair and smart, and then turn, kind of on, off, all that stuff. So this thing is pretty awesome, totally worth buying, and again, easy portability and totally great functionality. So hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.